Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's commentary, we just want to look at how these three stylists here did the frontal ponytail installation, the frontal installation, and the trending skull cap installation. So I would like you to relax, enjoy. If you need to rewind, rewatch, replay, please do. If you need to share with your stylist, please do. And if you're yet to click on the subscribe button, you're very wrong. Kindly do so right away. You know I love you guys. To my old subscribers, thank you very much for always showing up. And to the new subscribers, oh, you can't wait to see what I have, the lots and lots of things I have for you on this channel. So I'd like us to watch. At some point, we'll be taking a break, and at some point, you'll be listening to what the stylists have to say. I just want you to feel free to rewind this video as much as possible so you can get whatever it is that they are doing. Maybe you've always wanted to install the frontal ponytail or the frontal weave on itself. You don't want to spend your money in the salon again each time you need to install frontal. Take note of all the items, the equipment, the ingredients they use. The air materials they use. Actually take note of everything and make sure that you follow through. Some of the materials you might not really see the name, but once you show it at the air shop, they'll be able to tell you what it is and what you can use for a perfect match. I'll see you guys in my next commentary video. Before then, relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks. Bye. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.
Create, hearts inspired, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Create, hearts inspired, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every.
If you've actually watched to this point and you're yet to click on that subscribe button, you know it's not right.
The vegetable oil we do buy for
so just click on it, put on your notification bell. It is very important so
I
that
got
when
my
next I
customer
drop a
for
video, you
clothes
can
and she
always
said
be
a cup
aware. See you. Continue watching.
In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path, beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path, beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire.
To make your hair lay very well, so it will give you scalp, you have to place it on the place that you apply those glue on. You have to tight it to the extent that you start having it.
Please don't mind her. I guess she was just joking. Don't tighten that to the extent that you start having a headache. Please, just do it carefully.
Each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams.
Then you go in and start putting your weave on. The weave on that was used here is the Avu, or you can use Miss Rollers or any other short hair you see there in the market as 100%. Then you go in circles. All you need to do is to just bond the hair in circles. Do not space it too much. Too much of space at the bottom is not needed, but at the top you can space it a little bit. Make sure the bonding goes in circles. It's very easy to do, but it is more easier when you have tried it. So after bonding it in circles like the way I'm doing it now, you proceed to trimming it. You can use your razor comb, or you can use just your razor blade or your scissors. Just this way I'm doing it now, using the tip of your scissors to trim it step by step, section here little by little, then you trim it step by step. So do not cut too much, do not make it to be too flat. If you know you did not bond it very well, so that the under of the hair will not be showing you the net. You understand what I mean? So this is how you go in with your razor or your scissors, start trimming it very flat. Don't be a fair hairstylist. Go to the market, buy the weave on, and try it in one of your student hair or one of your client hair for free. Make sure you have done the practical first before you start charging the money. Then after you have done that, what you need next is your mousse. Apply the mousse all over the hair, then use your brush to lay it down, then you start styling it. This part is the most difficult part, but also the most easiest part. I won't lie to you. The things you need here is your scissors, your curling wand, this small black curling wand, the butterfly shadow spray, and your mousse. These are the things you need here. So my videographer didn't do justice here. I thought he was recording, but I didn't know it wasn't, so I couldn't get a proper video of where I was doing it very well. But I want to assure you that this is very easy. All you need to do is to take a little part of the hair, cut it to become short, then use that your curling wand to tongue it to make it a wave like this. Do it line by line, then you can achieve this result.
Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh,